Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction of the Minho Bridge, and we are in Clarendon, the parish of Clarendon, and we are at the bridge. So straight ahead is where the existing highway ends, and here straight ahead now is the bridge. So you can see the construction on the way, and the actual structure is finished. It's just the roadway to run across the bridge that's being built now. So when finished, this roadway that we're on, where the bridge is, all the way back to the roundabout, is where it will connect to the existing leg of the highway. Now, Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. It's going to be a toll roads all along, and because of the cost, it was decided to split up the highway into sections or stages or phases. So phase one, or the existing phase that's finished, is from Kingston to Maypen. Now the next phase will be from Maypen to Mandeville, and that is the section that's being built now. So this bridge, the Minho Bridge, will connect the Kingston to Maypen section to the Maypen to Mandeville section. So this is, you can see work is still going on, so we're not going to go any closer and interfere with them. But this is just an idea of how far the construction has reached. Basically, we're just giving you an update. And when finished, this will be the widest bridge in Jamaica. Now, all the bridges in Jamaica are under the control of the NWA, which is the National Works Agency. And all the main roads are controlled by the National Works Agency. So this road is being built by China Harbour Engineering Company. They are the contractor, and this project is actually being done through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, which the NWA is now a part of. And it's scheduled to be completed very soon. You can see the actual roadway is more or less completed. You can see where this bridge is directly in line with where the highway ends. So let's go around and just show you. So straight ahead where those cars are, those are the cars. Where the roundabout is, that's where the cars exit the existing leg of the highway. And remember, it's Highway 2000, and this section of the highway was renamed the PJ Patterson Highway. Now, Highway 2000 originally was to have two routes. Route 1 is from Kingston to Montego Bay, and that section of the road is where we are now. Because of the cost, it was split up into different phases or stages. So the stage from Maypen to Mandeville is where we are now, and that's where the Minho Bridge is. So that phase is now under construction, and where it's going to join the phase from Kingston to Maypen is straight ahead. As you can see, it's okay. This is where that section of the highway ends, and over here is where the bridge is. So everything is going to be one straight line, and it's going to be one continuous highway when finished. Alright, so that's the real construction of the Minho Bridge. We have other videos up to show you the different stages of the construction, and we also have videos up of the highway between Maypen and Mandeville, so you can check out those videos. We have videos up of the entire Highway 2000 project, even those under construction. So Route 1 was from Kingston to Montego Bay. That section is being done in phases. And Route 2, which is completed, is from Spanish Town or Kingston to Ocho Rios, and that section has been completed. Alright, this is our construction site, so we just have to give way to these trucks because we don't want to interfere with the work. So this truck is clearly trying to get up this hill, and it's giving him a hard time. So let's see if we can get it done now. Okay, looks like he's, oh no, he's stalling. It looks like he's going to make it this time. Alright, so we're just going to take a quick tour and show you what the bottom of the bridge looks like. So just to give you another angle of the bridge, this is the structure beneath the bridge. Alright, so thanks for taking a tour with us, guys, and you can leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this bridge and the Highway 2000 project and this leg. We always welcome the feedback. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.